Hey y'all, it's me Rachel, and today I'm back with another video and a brand new wig for you guys that I've never tried before. So Eayon Hair sent me this brand new headband wig. So basically the construction of this wig is that it's headband on the front, and then underneath there's some lace so that you can have like a scalp underneath your headband wig, which is super cool because it makes it look a lot more natural and like, you know, like you parted your head on the middle and just put on a headband. So I'm obsessed with this idea. The first thing that I did was put foundation underneath just to match my scalp, and because I do not like to wear wig caps. And then you don't have to lay your edges down, but I like to, so I'm just gonna go through and do some baby hairs, and then I'm gonna show you guys, I think it's 3 or 4 different styles that you can wear this wig in. So it's super versatile and amazing and perfect for the summer. One thing that I love about this wig is that there's plenty of clips on it for security. You have 2 on the side, 1 on the back, and 1 like directly behind the part, so your wig literally will not move. And then the next thing that I loved about this wig was this was the hair straight out the box. Absolutely no water. It fluffed up for me, you guys, immediately, and we loved that. I did use water to like mold the hairstyles, but as for the hair, I haven't washed this hair or anything. What you guys see is this wig straight out of the box. So this has to be the most beginner friendly wig I've ever tried. I'm pretty sure this is a water wave texture, but I will always leave everything down below for you guys, all the right specs and stuff. But yeah, y'all, this wig is absolutely amazing. I definitely recommend it to you if you love a good beginner friendly wig and you love the headband wig. This is the headband wig 2.0, so I love that they've updated it. And yeah, if you guys are interested in this wig, I'll leave a link down below for you guys. And if you guys want to see all the different styles that I do with this wig, then just keep watching. Be sure to check out Eayon Hair, and if you enjoyed the video, be sure to leave me a huge thumbs up and a comment down below, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!
No matter what they say, baby, gotta move on 'cause we're gonna be happy. Did the thoughts that we did the words that we said, keep us from the love we now say, yeah, yeah. Simple, just see you in, now would be never baby.